Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Danny, aka the Carefree Natural. Welcome to my place on DTV Wigs. Come on.
It's a party then. It's a party.
This is the spot right here, you know, in Indianapolis now. Let's see, what I want to show you first. Let's go on to the studio pretty much. Notice you'll see some different black art. This was my old room. Like Bessie Johnson thing, she's amazing. I'm calling this my power corner right here, you know, where the magic happens. I'm in the studio right here editing videos on my computer. When I get some poster stickers, I'm gonna hang this up, you know. Black engineers represent, black women engineers represent. Hold on, come on. We got this right here. Like I said, power corner right here. All the places I've been so far. I'm still working on it, you know. Yeah, gonna get a close up. Working on it. Last year I went to Japan and Egypt, you know. This year I went to Dominican Republic. I do a lot of videos in here when I'm gonna be real messy, so yeah, just wash my hair in here, check it out again, you know, black art represent. I like to sprinkle it, you know, every once in a while throughout the house. So one more time for the black art, I'll race to the top, art by fits, and you know, I do a little something too every once in a while. I'm working on the Dragon Ball Z puzzle right here. It's very much a work in progress, so you'll see that finished eventually.
Working is an understatement.
Anyway, cameraman, let's keep it pushing. That's my black art over there. You know, and here, this is my other studio office, whatever you want to call it. If you've seen a lot of my most recent videos, they've been shot from here. I got my camera stand, because I'm professional, the lighting and all that jazz. But yeah, I know you came to see the wigs, so let me go on and pull some of them out. Don't be alarmed about my mannequin heads. But this is where I keep all my hair stuff. I don't want to be in my boyfriend's hair too much. I got, you know, from kind of extension kind of things, mannequin heads so I can practice braiding, because when I figure that out, I'll be invincible pretty much. I got a bunch of random stuff like wigs on top of wigs. Let's get into it a little bit more detail. So yeah, this is my wig I got from like a local beauty supply store. It's $55. I like it a lot because, you know, my hair is this color naturally, and back when I had a perm, I think my hair looked a lot like this. Too thick right now. And I think if I ever flat ironed it, it would be a lot more like shiny and thinner looking. But I like the texture of it, so I'm kind of waiting to do that. So I just got this last weekend, so I have no idea what it looks like. Hopefully it's not embarrassing. But I like the color of it. It's definitely really shiny and stuff. The part is like huge, but maybe I can fix it some way, somehow. The thing, I don't really like putting makeup, like whole concealer thing on my parts. Maybe I'll try that later because this one is like so big, but we'll see. I never had short hair before, like this short, definitely not this short, like pixie cut short or whatever, but I like it. I just don't know how to style it exactly, because this right here seems very odd. So I try to brush it and fix it, but oh, that's better, I think. It's like full lace over the whole wig cap, so you can part it, you know, however you want. Yada yada. I kind of took a leap of faith, kind of, because I hadn't seen it or anything. but the reviews on it were really good. So I'll make sure to put the link in the description box because the other people's pictures and reviews were really good. So that's why I thought this would be a good choice. And then I started getting adventurous on Amazon. I saw this one girl's video. She had like a blue dreadlock wig, and it turned out really pretty. So I was like, oh man, I can do that. So I got this color. I never put color in my hair before, so I was like, I'll try something with color instead of just black. But when it's all said and done, I hope it would look really nice. I thought that I would eventually wear my hair out, you know, do the whole flat iron thing, but yeah, I can't do this. I think my hair wouldn't blend with this. Like, you're just gonna rock a hat with everything. Have some extra choices now. I got the hair for this one from Sally's. This is kind of big on this side. I wanted to practice with like the closure and stuff. I actually did put the concealer on it. I don't know why people say use concealer, because I thought the point of concealer is it's like brighter than your actual skin color, so my part would be brighter than my actual skin color. But yeah, so I think it worked out okay. It's like crochet, curly hair, or kinky hair, or whatever, you know, it blends easier. The curls just cover up everything. You don't have to worry about seeing the wig cap or anything like that, or like layering it over itself like perfectly. So this is definitely the way to go. And then I would pin this down. So if the wind blew and wanted, you know, go like that. And pin this down, have a bow right here to kind of cover up that line of demarcation. And yeah, I rocked it like that. So this, I feel like this goes with my outfit. But yeah, this is my last wig that I had to show you guys. So thanks again for tuning in to DTV Wigs. And if you want to see more videos like this or any other different kind of videos, make sure to include that in the comments below. As always, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Carefree Natural. Thanks. Okay.